Hey guys! In today's video, another unboxing package from Derma DX700 vacuum cleaner that I bought from Shopee around $1,739 excluding the shipping fee. So join me watching this video. Upon opening the box, the parts are well protected by a styrofoam both sides and individually wrapped. This Derma vacuum cleaner, I first saw it on Facebook group and has a good reviews. And I search on Shopee app, read the reviews again. Ayun, napacheck out tuloy ako guys. Budol is real talaga. And also comes with a user manual. And that's all the main part inside the box. And to start off, the cord, which is attached to the main body, and under is the dust collection container. Just press the release button to release the dust collection container, and this is where the dust collected. And inside, the HEPA and filter cotton, and just make sure HEPA and filter cotton are firmly positioned in place, and replace the filter back into the dust collection and attach again to the main body. You can hear a snap when it's successfully connected. Now there is the switch on, press to up and off to down. And into the next part, which is the connecting tube assembly. And attached to it is the power cord hook that you can adjust to your desired, and simply connect the tube to the main body, and you can hear a snap once it's successfully connected. Next part is the floor brush that can rotate because of this mini wheel, and you can easily attach the floor brush, aligning the interface of the connecting tube. Then you can easily glide back and forth. And now you can disconnect the floor brush to the connecting tube and then attach to the main body, so you can easily glide and forth again in using to clean your bed and sofas. And for the next part of the product is the edge and nozzle brush that you can use to clean edges like windows and edges of your sofas. So you can easily connect or attach to the main body, and yeah, you can now use that. Just turn on the power and you can use the item. And please stay tuned for the next video because I will be using this product, the DX700 vacuum cleaner, to clean the whole house. And if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll just see you soon on the next video. Goodbye, guys!